When I die, I wanna go to hell. When I die, I wanna go to hell. When I
3 a.m. drinking with this pistol on my lap. 6 medications, guess there ain't no fixing that. It's that broken mother knuckle until I relapse. If I die, they might cry till they inherit my stacks. Cold world, tell me what's the word. Only time I speak my heart is when the message come out slurred. People pleasing, always eager to fix them up. Problems leave me at the bottom, more comfortable with them more inside them. I chew on fin and ride my teeth off. Moments of peace, a slow heartbeats got off. God, I this, who gon' save me? All I can do is have and say la vie. Yeah, woe is me, I know you get the picture. This type of pain will earn you 7 figures. Check my DNA, my RNA, come with predictors. Description for what I got, there's no elixirs. Feel like I'm not enough. Find myself playing my day like Honey Boy and Shia LaBeouf. My mama crying as she watched the clock. Text my bro I love him even though he got my number blocked. I would give up everything to see my brothers clean. No second thoughts, it's the cost to take me, leave them be. Take my money, say you love me even if it's eyes. That connection so depressing, but it's all I got. When I die, just play this song. I was never meant for this, been torture just to carry on. Couple coops, lot of zeros, and a couple homes. None of it did for me. Cocked a pistol, and now I'm
Ay, head in the clouds, it look like it might rain again. Always holding back tears, it's how I managed to pay the rent. Pay the bills, place the bet so I don't have to chase the check. Verified through suicide, the glitz and glamour came to win. Wash my soul and still that one stain is kept. I just wanna be loved, the root of all my pain, except the type that comes with age and death. I can finally lay in rest, I'm on a little piece and I'm ready to erase the debt. I never plan on showing the world the face that hides behind the mask. I always thought the last thing I would ever be the guns blast. Filling a black hole in my chest, but it never lasts, it never lasts. 2 years ago before I should've just cashed me out. Now I gotta be here to tell them I'll just rat me